But wait, so do you know that you can actually make money with a smartphone? Yeah, you can actually make money with a smartphone. That's correct. But the problem is that so many people think that anything about online is, which is true for some cases and false for some cases. So, but the actual fact is that there are a lot of scam activity on the internet of recent days, and Nigeria being at the topest position for that scam. That's why in the international affair, Nigerians are labeled as scammer, and that's very bad for genuine Nigerians who maximize the profit of online to make money on a daily basis. So, and don't follow that people that thought that anything that have to do with online. So there are also legit way you can maximize and make cool cash online. So follow this channel so that I'll be updating you. I'll make sure you are going to make money with your smartphone. So once you follow this channel, I'll be showing you tips and the ways. There are just practical aspects on how to be making money with your smartphone. And also bear it in mind, this is not a get rich platform. This is not a Ponzi scheme and all that. No. Anything about making money, whether online, offline, it still follows the principle of money everywhere. So it's not where you put in and get money or double your money overnight. No. So you are going to work hard, you're going to work hard and work smart. So do it to follow this channel.